Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Today I have this plain box, pretty big box. I did a little bit of shopping at the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop, and I'm just trying to pull up the screenshots that I took because I thought I saved, anything's possible. I thought I saved what I bought. Okay, I did. All right, big box for, I think there's only 4 things in here, 4 or 5 things. Huge box for that. So let's take this down. Lots of bubble. And they don't even put this much in their own, like in their own monthly, bags. That's that. That. Nice. That. Okay, sneak peek that for you, so we'll slink that back up here. This paper came off of an item, we'll just get rid of that. Okay, so the first item that I'll share with you is from One Size. Let me just turn these around properly. From One Size. Got 2 Kiki brow pencils. I opened my last one, and these are in blonde. I'll show you what they look like. So I opened my last one, and I wanted to make sure that I had some backups because I do really love this brow pencil. Highly recommend it. I use blonde or sometimes taupe. Blonde seems to work best for me. I don't like my brows to be super dark. My hair is not super dark. So always will get these. I'm trying to think if I saved the price. I think I did. I have no idea if I saved where the price was. Might not have. Ugh. Did I? Nope. I didn't save the prices. Oh no, I did. No, so far. Yeah. They were $14 each, which is about comparable to the website. The next thing that I ordered, and this is like coming out of the packaging here, is a Cortex Professionals round hairbrush. Been wanting a new one like this, so I saw it and picked it up. This was $15. Hairbrushes are so expensive, and I like this style to get, up and under and help round out so that I can use less of heat for my flat iron to take care of it. So I did order that. Happy to have it. I'm sorry if my voice is a little scratchy. I have the flu. But the show must go on. I still have to film, whether I want to or not. And in the past, I paid the same price for the One Size by Patrick Starr. Same $14. So the hairbrush was there. I think the other, I don't know. Oh, yep. I picked this up from Clinique. This is the All-Star Kit. It was $10. In here is Moisture Surge mascara, a lipstick, and what is this? Oh, cleansing gel. $10. All true and tried fun products. I'll show them to you. So here is the mascara. I do like that. Wow, this is a tiny sample. I didn't think they would be this small. Come on, Clinique. That is so tiny. That's like a one-use. Disappointed in you, Clinique, for doing that. Now this is nice. Right here. Need that wrapped up. I don't need the tissue paper. And a small, tiny lip. And I cannot read this. Oh, this is pretty. Right here, pretty shade. I'm not going to swatch just because I'm not feeling well, so I just, I don't want to put anything on my face if I can help it, but $10 for this little kit. I still think it's worth it, but cute. And this says, normally $12, I paid $10, $42 value. I beg to differ on that kind of value like that. So that's that. That was $10, right? And then the last thing that I got was, I think, $30 some, $34. Got a new flat iron. And this obviously is a full size. I made sure I read to make sure that it was not a mini or anything like that. So this is 100% solid ceramic plates, 1-inch flat iron. I have a Qi flat iron, and after a period of time, the plates go bad. You might think they're still fine, but it starts pulling at your hair. I'm not going to take this out of the, all the way out of the package, but you can see it right here. Nice. So I'm happy with that. Flat irons are expensive. I was pricing them out. It has temperature control. Let me see. LED indicator, temperature control, and 100% ceramic plates. So here's you can get a good look at it there, right there. So that's everything from the Mega Drop Shop that I purchased. I really just don't need anything else but those items. I figured let me, get some backups. And I love Clinique, so I was happy to, pick that little sample bundle up just for future use. And that's it for today's video. Enjoy your day. I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.